Well, thanks to the pandemic, a lot of people have been lacking in their dental care, but not anymore. I am here at Advanced Dental Care with Dr. Matt Vandermolen. Thanks for having us out here.
Thank you, Heather.
Let's talk a little bit about how people may not have felt comfortable during the last several months to come in and get their teeth cleaned, but that really shouldn't be a factor anymore.
Right. So in our office, we've taken care of the air problems that we have. So we have special filtration system now. We use ozonated water, which is really cool. Ozonated water kills bacteria and viruses on contact. So any aerosol that comes up, the virus is pretty much instantly killed. Of course, we're wearing masks. We're having our patients wearing masks and so on. And we're using special disinfectants. But I've never felt more safe to be in our office. And as a matter of fact, during this whole pandemic, I feel safer here than I do even at home or, in any store. So it's an excellent environment to have dentistry done.
Yeah, I think those people, though, that did maybe take a little time off from the dentist may feel a little uncomfortable coming back. Maybe their teeth aren't looking as good as they used to, or just because of the safety issues. But you don't judge them for that.
No. And, one of the best things about COVID is if you do have a bad-looking smile, you can hire them. You just hide it. But now things are changing. People are getting vaccines, and so these masks are going to go away eventually, and so you definitely want to have a nice smile.
Okay, now let's talk about Free Dental Day. That's always a big event for you here in Springfield, and it's a way for you to give back to the community and help those people with their smiles. Correct. This year is going to look a little different. How so? Yeah,
so unfortunately last year we missed our Free Dental Day. We've done 10 of them previously. So this year we've got all the COVID stuff figured out. And what's going to be different this year is that we're going to be making appointments. And the actual date is May 7th. That's the Friday before Mother's Day. And then we're going to start taking phone reservations, appointments. We'll start on April 19th.
And who is going to be qualifying for this? Because before it was kind of anyone and everyone, but now this year looking different. Right. You've got some qualifications to be able to take advantage.
Right. So the basic qualifications is anybody 18 or above is free to come in. The only exception would be is if you're pregnant. And what we're offering is basically a free cleaning, a free filling, or an extraction if you need that. And so we will be following all the COVID protocols, so we will be asking questions and screening everybody just like we do for our normal patients every day. So it'll be a safe environment that way as well.
And you did mention the date that they need to call and make reservations, and that's important because you do have a limited number of spots available for people.
Yeah, generally we see well over 100 patients, and everybody lines up and it works out that we can get them in. But this year with our protocols, and there's things that we have to do in between patients and taking care of the air and the surfaces and everything differently than we did in the past, we're limiting it to the first 80 people that we can make appointments for. Still a lot of people in one day. The times will be between 7 and 3, so we're still hustling, and we've got a lot of people here volunteering to help for my staff to make it work. But it is still limited to 80, so you need to call right away.
Yeah, exactly. And you have to take that time to make sure that you disinfect and clean everything between each patient, which is also why you're limited. But such a great opportunity and way for you all to give back to the community, to those who may need some dental care. Let's remind everybody where you're located here in Springfield.
Well, we're on 4701 Wabash. We're way out west on Wabash. And we're easy to find. We got a big sign. But just make sure you go all the way out west on Wabash.
There you go. And if you need any of the information on how you can get those reservations in for Free Dental Day and be proud of your smile, we'll connect you at CILiving.tv. Thank you so much.